That blinking orange light on your Rogers or Xfinity gateway means it's struggling to connect to the internet. Specifically, it usually indicates an issue with activation or provisioning, meaning your gateway hasn't properly registered with your provider's network, or there's a problem with your coax cable connection. This could be due to loose or damaged cables or signal interference. Common causes include loose or damaged cables, signal interference, or the gateway not being properly registered with the network. Start by power cycling your gateway. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it restarts, check all coax cable connections, ensuring they are securely screwed into both the wall and the gateway. After the gateway restarts, check if the light is still blinking orange. If it is, move on to the next step. If the blinking orange light persists, log into your Rogers Ignite app or My Rogers account, or the Xfinity app, to verify your service is active and there are no account-related issues. Many providers offer built-in diagnostic tools within their apps that can identify specific problems, such as Rogers T3, T4 timeouts. If you have access to your gateway's settings, usually through a web interface at 192.168.100.1, check the event logs for any error messages. As a last resort, contact Rogers or Xfinity support directly for assistance. They can remotely diagnose the issue and guide you through further troubleshooting steps.